is Jacob DeBoer here at MarineMax in Rogers. Today I'm going to be showing you the 2023 Nautique G25. It is the biggest in the G lineup for Nautique. On the hull here we got the blue coloring mixed with the mystic white accent color. Really sporty look, really shows cool on the water. Really cool colors to have on a day boat here. You see up here we got the manual tower with it. Continues the colors up there, really cool. Matches in, ties it all together. If we make our way back here, got the swim platform back here, the sea decking on top. Got your ladder to enter in as well, makes it nice and easy. If you look down here, you got your surf pipe, as well as the stern drive to make that really easy, as well as the NSS, the Nautique surf system. Really encapsulates all together here to make it the best wake surf experience you can have on the water here. So let's go hop up and take a look at the features inside. All right, welcome inside here of the Nautique G25. Just to show you really quick on the back here, we got plenty of storage back here because we have all of the ballast inside throughout the boat. So in here you could fit your skis, boards, whatever you want to throw in back here, plenty of room for that. Down here is where you're going to see your PCM ZZ6, plenty of power for anything you want to do on the water, especially wake surfing, of course. So if you make your way in a little bit more, you're going to see adjustable seating here. Makes it a really cool spot to kind of just view in the back here for everyone. If you've got a big party with you, you can see the wakeboarders in the back, you can see the wake surfers in the back, you can see anything. It's a whole entertainment system here, as well as the adjustable seats here and here. Also lift up, you can see the same exact thing. Makes it good for large parties that you have on the boat. Adjust right back, very simple, falls right into place. If you look close, you can see the cup holders on the sides here. Around those have rings on them. That is where you can see the courtesy lighting, as well as plenty of other cup holders and other spots throughout the boat. Don't have it rigged up at the moment, but I promise you it looks really cool, especially when it gets a little closer to the evening time. So if we look over here, adjustable board racks here, strapless board racks, really makes it easy. Just click it right into place here, falls right in, tightens up, makes it really easy to put the boards in. Puts them just back like so, adjust that down. Come up here to the helm, you got a really cool seat here. This is a race car inspired seat. Everything in here, it feels really comfortable when you're in it. And then it's got this little spot here too, where you could flip your leg over, talk to your party, check out your surfer in the back. Makes it easy to do any of those things. If you come back here, you got your 12-inch display here, your typical buttons, start and stop. Right here is the adjustable rotary dial, which is really sweet. Nautique tried to find the most commonly used features in their boats, put them all right here, easy access on the dial. So that's it for the helm here. You got a little bit of storage under here as well. Right now we have the cover under there, but right here you could throw in more skis, more boards, a lot of space in there as well. Big storage on this boat. Come to the bow here. As you can see, plenty of space here. It is a 25-foot boat, so they make the most out of that space. Right in front of you here as well, you got the movable windshield here, so you can use this as well as the air dam that just slides right out. Integrated storage here, so you don't have to find a place to throw that dam anywhere. Just right here, it slides out into place, locks it off when there's ever a windy day, cool day in the morning, cool day in the evening, whatever time here, especially in Minnesota. Slides right back, flips right back, really simple. So sitting here at the bow, like I said, a lot of space, more of the cup holders here that you can find on either side with that courtesy lighting. Under me is an adjustable bolster here, so you got sea deck on the top. If you flip this over, you will find cushion here as well, or you can just take the whole thing out if you just want more space for your feet here. Really cool, makes the most of every bit of space from the bow all the way to the stern in this boat. So that is the Nautique G25 here, available at our Rogers location. If you want to stop in, feel free. We're available anytime throughout the week. You can give us a call, or you can make an appointment online. As always, make sure to like and subscribe. Putting out videos every day on our YouTube channel, as well as our social media. Thanks.